Welcome. In front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to restore account PIN on this laptop. So whether you're using a local account or a Microsoft account, the only thing you have to do in this case is press this "I forgot my PIN" button. If you don't see it, try and input any PIN right here, and after a couple of unsuccessful attempts, you will surely see this button. So click right here, and if you're using a Microsoft account, then make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Well, sometimes it doesn't work at the first attempt. And right now, if you're using a Microsoft account, you simply have to sign in. Simply have to receive a code on your email and then input it on the next page. But if you're using a local account, then you'll have to answer a couple of security questions that you set up for yourself, and once you answer them, you'll be able to change the PIN and get the access back to your laptop. Now, if you don't remember the answer to the security questions, then the only way to restore access to your account would be to reinstall Windows from USB. And if you don't know how to do it, then check out the video on our channel. So if you're interested, then go ahead and watch it. But in this video I will show you how to restore a PIN account if you're using a Microsoft account to sign in to your laptop. So press send code, and then once you receive a code on your email which is connected to your Windows account, input it right here. Okay, so let me input the code that I received and press sign in. And at this point you'll have to press continue and set up a new PIN for your account, and make sure that you remember it this time. Confirm by entering the PIN again. Press OK and wait until your device logs in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.